Ready? Good morning, students. I am your English teacher Irshad. Today I have to teach you a chapter titled The Desert. And this chapter is very important for every human being because we know that the world in which we are living, this world is full of different things. At some place there is presence of flowers, fruitful trees, and so many things. While on some places there is nothing available, only there is expansion of sand and sand. So the place where the trees are available, plants are available, flowers are available, those very places look very beautiful, and the number of the area of such variety of place is maximum in this world. But on this earth there are some places where only there is presence of sand, and due to the presence of sand, the life is not possible there. We have such example. In India, we have a desert named Thar, and this Thar desert is found especially in Rajasthan. In the world, there is a desert named Sahara, and this Sahara desert is found in Africa. Generally, it is said that in the desert it does not rain properly, and due to this, plants are not found there in the proper number. Due to this, the animals are also not found there, but the animals which are found there, they are in the rare case. Due to this, it has been said that camel is called the sheep of the desert because camel is the animal which does not eat a large amount of food material every day and also a large amount of water every day. But camel eat only one time for 15 days and only one time water for 15 days. And after eating one time, the camel does not need to eat for 15 days, and also more than 15 days. After drinking one time, camel does not need to drink for more than 15 days. So camel is the suitable animal, suitable living things in the desert. And the people of the desert, they use the camel as the means of transport. Means they travel from one place to another place sitting on the back of the camel. And it is said that in desert only sand dunes are available. Sand dunes means when a large amount of sand we can say collects at one particular place, then it seems just like a small mountain. So that new structure is called here sand dune. In desert, water is not found, and also without water, the vegetation is also not found. Vegetation means different types of plants, grasses, small or long trees. And in desert there is a very hope for water. Means the place where the water is found, that very place is also known as oasis. Oasis means the place, the area, the water body which is surrounded all around the desert, and only at one particular place there is water available. That place is called oasis. Generally, the people of desert, they try to habitate, they try to make their house near the oasis because there they get water for the irrigation, for their animals, and also for different varieties of purpose also. So here we can say that the life in the desert is very difficult, and also there are some animals just like rats, just like a snake. These very animals are not found in the daytime, but these animals appear in the night time because at night the temperature automatically down, and in the daytime desert becomes very hot. It is said that in this atmosphere, in this world, there is presence of atmosphere which acts just like a blanket, and when the sun rays come from the sun, then it cross through this atmosphere, and due to this the earth become very hot. But at night time this temperature does not go through this very atmosphere. Due to this the temperature variation in the desert is not very the temperature variation in the tropical area is not very high, but in desert there is no presence of atmosphere, or if there is presence of atmosphere, then that is very we can negligence. Due to this in the daytime the sand or desert area becomes very hot, or at night time without presence of atmosphere the night becomes very cold. So the people or the animals who are living there, they have adjust themselves. Even in desert, plants like cactus is found there, or in Hindi there is a plant which is called babul. This plant is also found. It's a English is cassia like this. It's English. So these type of plants are found there. So we can say that the desert is not only barren, but desert is also very beautiful. And in desert there are also some special type of pilgrimage places. People also used to go there. In desert, mountains are also found. It is said that it is the desert is the gift of the nature. For the purpose of making this very earth balance, the desert have been made by the nature, because in desert people are found very less. So it is a type of balance, but in tropical areas the people live very densely. So here it is a type of balance. So this is from my side for today. Thank you.